Hello YouTube, welcome to Code Vision. My name is Harsh Kumar and this is the part 5 of the video series Restaurant Website Design to HTML CSS. In the previous video, we have created the menu section for this website. If you haven't watched that video, I will give you the link in the I button and in the description of the video. In this video, we will create the rest of the website. So now let's start the video. I forgot to add a loading menu button in the menu section in the previous video. So let me add that. Above the closing tag of the section, add a div class name menu button wrapper. Add in this wrapper div, add a button. Now create a new section for testimonials with ID name of testimonials. Include a class name, container wrap. Now add a div with the class name of title wrap. Now add an H2 heading for the section. After this, add a description. Now we add a testimonial. For this, add an image and its review. So for this, add a div to wrap the testimonial image with the class name of testimonial img wrapper. Add a user image in a div. Add a div for adding a testimonial. Now we add a review. Now we add 5 stars and the name of the customer below the feedback. For this, add a div review group wrapper. Now add the star image 5 times. Now add the username in the span tag. The testimonial section is complete. Now we add the next section where we add email to contact. Add a heading for this section. Add a div to wrap the email, text box and the send button. Now add a text box, input type text, class name, text input, email and add the placeholder. Enter your email. Now add the send button and now this section is complete. So now we will write the final section of this website, which is the footer of this website. So for this, add a footer tag, add a div with a class of footer wrapper. Inside this footer wrapper, add a div for the footer column with a class name of footer call. Now add an HT heading for the company name and add an order list and make a list of links and now change the name of the links. Now repeat this for the other column, but for the third column add a H3 heading and write follow us. Add a div with a class name of social link. Add an image of links. Now let's see the output. So write the CSS menu button wrapper class text align center margin top 30 pixel margin bottom 85 pixel. Now let's start the testimonial section. So write pound testimonial padding bottom 100 pixel and then add dot testimonial img wrapper and add a property text align center. So here the testimonial section CSS is complete. Now we go to next section, the contact section. So write pound contact as padding bottom 61 pixel. Select H2 of the contact section and center it with the text align center. Write another class dot send email wrapper and center it also with text align center. Select another class of the text box dot text input email. Add a width of 20%, height 33 pixel, padding left 9 pixel, margin right 10 pixel. The contact section is now complete and now we start footer section. So select footer, padding bottom 20 pixel, write another class, footer wrapper, add a property of display flex, display content space between. Now write another class, footer call, width 25%. Now CSS is complete. Let us see the final result. The website is looking great. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to Code Vision and hit the bell icon for the regular updates in the future. I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.